Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and this is Birchbox. This is the gorgeous March box. Gone back to their tray design. It's really cool, isn't it? So if you're new to Birchbox, as always, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is Birchbox UK. The cost of the box is £12.95 and that includes shipping. And inside you receive between 5 to 6 beauty products a month, and they range from skincare, haircare, makeup, beauty tools, and also we've had like samples of perfumes and things like that. Now the sizing of the products in the Birch boxes are smaller than other subscription boxes out there, and the reason behind that is because Birchbox have their own website where they sell all the beauty products that are featured inside their boxes. So their thinking is they want to provide a gorgeous box for you to receive once a month to try a selection of their products. If you like it, then you'll go onto their website and you can purchase the full size versions. So because of the small sizes, it is hard if you are a subscription box lover like myself and you receive quite a few different subscription boxes. It is hard not to compare, but saying that, Birchbox is the cheapest beauty subscription box out there. I honestly can't think of any other boxes that are lower than £12.95 a month, you know, including shipping. At the start of the month they bring out an edit and you get to see on their websites the products that are going to be featuring in the boxes. Now not everyone gets the same. Most people will get 2 or 3 products, but then 2 or 3 products could be completely different. So you could be watching this video thinking, ooh, I really like what Claire's got, or ooh, I don't like what Claire's got. But then if you were to subscribe, you might have something completely different to me. But if you're interested in spoilers, having a look, then they will show you on their website so that you have an idea. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll have a look to see if there's any discount codes available at the moment. There's always something flying around. I'll have a look and you will find all details and everything down in my description. So let's get on to showing you what's inside my box. I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek first. Inside you get a little card and it details everything about the products. So I'll refer to this as we go along. There's no full-size products inside this month's box, but they've given me the prices for the full-size version, so I'm not able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. It says, hello Birchboxers. As a woman-founded company, celebrating and empowering women is personal to us at Birchbox. Inspired by Frida, our partner this month, and in honour of International Women's Day, some of the products in your March Birchbox are from women-founded brands. So let's start with number 1. So we've got some Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes, eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads, and this pack of 2 here. Now it feels like I've already received these from Birchbox recently, as in the last couple of months. I'll have to go back and have a look. They're lovely, and I'm glad I got 2 more because I can build up a little collection now. I don't use any cotton wool anymore. I still have cotton wool buds because I just find they're handy for makeup, etc. But actually cotton wool pads, I don't use them anymore. So these will go into my little makeup remover rounds little jar now. But the only thing with these, it's not a problem, it's just when you wash them they turn into like a ball, like that. They're just like a ball. They don't go back to their size. I don't know, put them in a sock or something like that. I don't know, I'll have to think about it, or a little bag of some sorts, you know, just so that they keep their shape. But yeah, they're gorgeous, nice and soft. So the recommended retail price for, I'm assuming 6 of these, is £15. These swipes remove even the toughest makeup with just warm water. The microfibers swell when wet, grabbing hold of makeup particles and holding them in the pad. Super soft and perfect for use on sensitive skin, eyes and lips. Swipe away your makeup with no cleanser needed. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is an BHA exfoliating concentrate. And there's 30 mils here. The recommended retail price for 180 mils is £26. This salicylic acid rich concentrate is a fast-acting leave-on chemical exfoliant. It works on the upper layers of the skin to remove dead skin cells, fight blackheads, blemishes and enlarge pores, and improve hydration for more youthful-looking, brighter skin. What's more, the calming blend of these ingredients does all of this without causing irritation. So I've got to be really careful with my skin at the moment. I'm using a Skin and Me subscription, but yeah, so far it's going really well. So I do have to be careful, salicylic acids and glycolic acids, etc., so that it doesn't irritate my skin. Next we've got a product by Percy & Reed, and this is I Need a Hero Wonder Balm Hair Primer. Is this the Wonder Balm that I really, really like? It looks different packaging. There's 30 mils here. This multitasking, miracle leave-in hair primer smooths each hair strand for beautiful alignment. I've never heard of that in any hair care products before. Easing and speeding up the styling process, giving you greater control and better, longer lasting results. The packaging does look different, but yeah, it is a Wonder Balm. I really like it, and actually I received it years ago in a Birchbox, and I went and bought the full size version. The full size, which is 75 mils, will cost you £19. It just says here the same sort of thing. The hair primer is designed to speed up the styling process, giving you better results that last longer, and then it just goes into telling you what I've just read off the back there. So we've got a Wonder Balm for your hair. Next we've got some eye patches by Botanique Beauty, and these are Gold Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. They're to brighten, hydrate and depuff, and ingredients include cucumber, rose extract, green tea and hyaluronic acid. And there's one pair in here. I absolutely love patches from Patchology and Pixie as well. I think those two are my favourite brands when it comes to eye patches. They're just really nice. I can't tell you what this is like. I'm sure I've tried them in the past. They look familiar. The recommended retail price for this full size pack, which I'm guessing you probably get about 4 or 5 in a pack, will cost you £6. These hydrating green tea and hyaluronic acid infused eye patches brighten even the tiredest of eyes. Also formulated with cucumber to hydrate and rose extract to reduce puffiness. Fits any under eye areas, targeting fine lines too. And then lastly, we have got a Glow 2 highlighter by CRT London, and this is an illuminating powder highlighter. So it looks like we got a little mini one there. What is the shade going to be like? Whenever I wear this top in videos, I absolutely love it. It's just a really nice, pretty, lightweight top, and it comes in at my waist and flows out. But the sleeves, and you can tell I've got fake tan on a little bit, but the sleeves, when I'm editing, makes me look like I'm really wide. Never mind. This highlighter does not want to come out. It's 1.5 grams. Oh, that is pretty. See there? Yeah, that is really pretty actually. See? Add it there maybe. It's quite blingy. I'm just guessing now. Does it stand out? Purchase the full size version, it will cost you £26. Meet your new Glow 2 highlighter with added instant lit from within radiance to your look. This vegan friendly pearlescent oyster tone formula powder is formulated with patented spherical pigments to give you a weightless long wear finish for the ultimate shimmer that lasts. Yeah, it is nice, it is really pretty, but it's not an everyday wear type of highlighter for me. No, it's a little bit too much, but no, it is really pretty though. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. I'll just gather them all up. So there's 5 products in all. We've got some makeup wipes, we've got some eye gels, we've got a Wonder Balm for your hair, we've got a salicylic acid exfoliator, plus we've got a CRT London, a highlighter down there. My thoughts personally, there's nothing new. So it's not exciting as in, whoa, new products, I haven't tried these before. Plus I do know that I've received this Wonder Balm loads and loads of times from Birchbox, so it'd be nice to see some new products then, you know, something different. What do you think of this month's box? What do you think of my products? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? How does it compare to what I've received? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.